What's up, YouTube? So we're gonna do a quick wave check. Let's see where this gets us. Okay, come on. Sheesh. Wow. And that's without the cut. Wave man, my boy's swimming. Let me find out. So we coming out with another cut. My boy getting a 2 on top. So right now I was combing his hair out, making sure I have his hair just fully combed out, so it's easier for my clippers to go through there. He's getting a skin taper. And so towards the back, what I'm doing on him is I'm taking it a little higher than usual, just cause the shape of his head, kind of, I don't even know how to explain it, but it just looked right on him. So it's what we doing. So at first y'all might be out there looking like, dude, what are you doing? You going too high? Nah, I'm going just right. You know what I mean? So it's what we doing. I like doing a taper on him. It suits his head very well, and it looks really dope with the waves. He used to get a low fade, but then I started telling him that he should start brushing, get some waves, and bam, taper look better on him. So that's what we do. We do a higher taper in the back. On the sides we'll go just a little low, not too high, maybe a little around the medium, but not too high. And so I have different tricks on how to fade this type of hair. And so I'll go down to blend in the longer hairs with the bottom hairs. I put on the 1.5, so the one open, and I work my way to close. And then right here I cut it with the half guard, just so that lineup is a lot smoother. And as you can see, no hairs overlapping or nothing. It's just really smooth lines on the edge up. So now I'm coming over to the sides and I'm gonna start just shaping them up real quick, just so I can see where I'm working. See where I'm gonna do my first guideline and everything. That was just a quick lineup. I'll go over it again to make it sharper. I try not to go too high. So I cut the sides first with a 2, right there, close to that wave, right where I'm at right now. Just so that I know not to go any higher than that. His hair is pretty thick, so this works for it. It doesn't work with everybody's hair, but it works for his hair. So it allows the fade on the taper to actually stand out a lot more. So here on this side, I'm basically doing the same thing. Just I'm on the other side. You can see I'm not going too high with the skin. I'm going right where the ear ends or begins. Right there on where the ear is at. There we go again. I'm with the one open, just going down, blending in the long hairs with the short hairs. It's something I picked up on my own. It's a little trick that I do, and it works. And right now I tapered the front just so I can edge them up a little better. So you can kind of see the hairs is not super short in the front, but I did it so when I edge them up, no hairs overlapping, and it just gives the edge up a smoother look, and it's easier for me to do. And so he has a wider forehead than usual. So as you can see, I'm not pushing any lines back. He just has a wide forehead. So it looked pretty big from the front, but you know what I mean. He Puerto Rican, so what can you expect? I'm Puerto Rican too, so nobody be taking this offensive. That's what we do. So you can see that line looks clean. Taper look good. Now I'm on his eyebrows real quick because you gotta be a pretty boy too, you know. Okay. And that's the final cut, man. This is what we do. Brought him back. Did what I had to do. You see the taper's not too high in the back. But everything looks nice and smooth. The waves is looking really clean, man. So this is the video I did for y'all. And if you like it, man, let me know. Comment, subscribe. And I'll make sure I try to make more videos for y'all, man. God bless y'all.